Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to be trying to install these on my 300. I really don't know how it's going to sound. Magnaflow is a little more subtle, I guess. Anyway, I'll try to put these on. I don't have a lot of tools and I'm going to be doing it in the parking lot of my parking garage of my apartment complex. Alright, let's get started. So right now I'm gonna head over to pick up some ramps and a jack, and we'll see you when we get back. Jesus. So I'm putting this exhaust on the car, but it actually just developed another issue. There's this little actuator door that goes in the dash with the AC system, and just recently it started ticking, and they have a few of those. And they actually have two, I think, on that side, on the passenger side. And I don't know how many it has on the driver's side. But just with my luck, the one on the driver's side is the one that is starting to go out. So that's going to be fun to replace. Okay, so I'm actually going to do a warm start. That's stock warm start. We'll see how it sounds after I do this. Alright, just gotta let it cool off now. Okay, so the car's been cooling off for a while. See if I can get a cold start. I don't think I'll be able to get a cold start because it's gonna take forever for that to go down and I need to get started. So let's just head under there and start cutting away. The tool that I rented from O'Reilly. I saw mixed reviews on it, and we'll just see. Hopefully it's not too hard to use. So we're under the car, and that's the front of the car up there, and I'm going to be cutting as close as I can to this thing right here and close to this right here as I can. It has this little curve, so I have to take this thing off so I can cut there. So we have to take off those 4 bolts, cut right here, and then cut right here as close as I can. Hopefully I don't need to do anything else. And the exhaust from the front to right before the X pipe, it's actually 2 3/4. No, it's 2 1/2. And then from there, right at those clamps, you can see it goes down. It goes down to 2 1/4 all the way back. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and take this thing off. So those 4 size 13 millimeters. that's off. Now I'm gonna try and cut this. So I'm actually not cutting anything anymore. Look how close those things are now. So let's try to get it tighter. Since it's so hard to cut under here, I went ahead and took off this hanger, this coupling right here, and I'm just gonna take off the whole thing and just deal with the cuts outside of the, or when I'm not under the car. I got this whole piece out, and I'll just deal with the cuts and everything outside. So I got those out. What has to happen now? You have to turn it on without nothing. See how that sounds. Mufflers. Alright, so now that we got that out of the way, let's get these on there. Whoops. Oh yeah. Let's go. So I just packed up everything. I'm running into some issues. I have to go back to the parts store and see how the hell I'm gonna get this stuff on there. Man, it's a little tougher than I thought. Alright, so operation exhaust didn't go quite as planned, so now I had to do this and head over to my brother's house. Oh yeah, a lot of stuff. Oh god, no exhaust, no muffler. It's loud. Your ears loud. Alright, got my brothers again. See if I can get these mufflers on there. Alright. Well, it's 10 p.m. Had been working since 11 a.m. But it is not done. Tomorrow for sure though, for sure. Yeah buddy. Okay, so it's day 2 of this exhaust stuff, and I think I got it all down to where it needs to go. I'm just one clamp short. It's not the prettiest, but it's mostly a test to see how those sound. If I like how they sound, I'm gonna go take it to get welded. So that's how that's the end of it right there. I'm not gonna try and bother to put a pipe from there to here. Maybe later I'll do like a 45 and then another 45, bring it out to the tip, but I'm gonna leave it like that for now. And then this resonator still has to come out right now. I already cut it yesterday. I cut it, so but that's how it looks. I had some trouble right there with all those clamps where that brace is, but I think I got it figured out. I'm just one clamp short to just tighten everything. This side is already tightened and it's pretty sturdy. This side is still loose, so I'm one clamp short up in the front right there of this muffler, and then I'm gonna tighten that one, this one, and then this flange I'll do it at the end. But looks like we're about to be done, and I'll get a cold start on there. That's not gonna be like that. That one's gonna be a little more straight. This one's already like that, and the reason it's like that is because I had to twist it and then to get those clamps away from the brace. I'm gonna go harder this time, probably like 3/4 throttle. Inside noise going at about 80, almost no noise inside, no drone. I think that's exactly what we were looking for. Pretty loud on the startup and when you rev it, but normal driving, still pretty quiet. And it looks like that's what we got.